So what's up everybody? So today we are designing a simple practice object in SolidWorks. So let's start with me. This is our sketch. This looks like a vice. So firstly go to the new, then go to the part, then select all the planes and click on show. Firstly select front plane. That's why we are drawing the object from the front side. So let me choose the line command to draw our baseline of the object. So give the dimension to that line as 180 mm. Click on OK. Now we need to draw the vertical lines. So let me choose the line command and end point of the line, draw the vertical line. Similarly draw the horizontal line. Again draw the vertical line. And let me give the dimensions to that lines as 55 mm to the vertical line and 30 mm to the horizontal line. Now give the bottom line reference to the next vertical line as 35 mm, which is as per our sketch. Now we need to draw the straight line from our lastly drawn point of the line and give the dimension from the front point to the lastly drawn point as 32 mm. Draw the vertical line. Firstly we need to draw only the profile, then we can easily give the dimensions to our object. So let me choose the other line and give the dimension to it as 4 mm as per our sketch. Now we need to draw that arc which is of R28. For that we need to draw the vertical line and give the dimension to that line as 80 mm. Then choose the 3-point arc, choose the end point of the 4 mm line and 80 mm line and give the dimension to that arc as that is R28. Now our profile is ready, so exit sketch, then go to the extrude boss and choose the extruded length as 70 mm and click on OK. Now our next step is to draw the slot. So select left face of the object and click on sketch. Now we need to draw the horizontal line to draw our slot, and also we can give the relation between that drawn line point or the midpoint of that line and the midpoint of the object and select it as vertical or the coincidence. So it can easily matches the midpoint. we can give the dimension from the left, that is 20 mm, and similarly to the right. Or we can give the dimension to that horizontal drawn line as 30 mm. And we need to draw the vertical lines from that line. And we can draw the profile only, and then we can give the dimension to him. Give the dimensions as per sketch, that is 20 mm for the height portion to both sides. Another vertical line as also 20 mm, and select the center point of the top line and the bottom line and give the relation between them as vertical. Now this looks like a perfect sketch. Go to the extruded cut, select through all, click on OK. Now our other step is completed, so move towards next step, which is to draw the backside arc type structure. So we need to select the face, so we need to draw the arc. The arc is not exact on the center or the last edge, so we can't use the relation as coincident to both the points of the arc. So we are deleting the relations and move the arc. Now we need to give the dimensions or the relation between the center of the arc and the both endpoints as horizontal. To both the points, click on OK, then give the dimension to the arc, center and the line as 25 mm. And now we need to draw that line of the arc which rests on the edge. So we need to convert that edge to get us the reference of the arc. So select the line and click on convert entity. Now we need to draw the arcs which helps us to draw as a fillet, which can work as a fillet on the object. So similarly to the right side of the object, so use the mirror command, choose the arc and mirror about that is center line, click on OK. So trim the remaining portion to right side and left side also, and delete the remaining lines from both sides. Now go to the extruded boss, change the direction, choose up to surface and choose the surface as the end point and click on OK. Now our that rib is completed. Now we need to draw the circle, so select that face and click on sketch. Now go to the hole command or the circle, draw the circle at the center of the object and give the dimension as, or the diameter of the circle as 15 mm. And exit sketch, then go to the extrude cut, select through all, click on OK. Now we need to draw the thread at inside of that circle, which is also called as tapping. So we need to go to the hole wizard and go to the thread, then select the location of the thread, which is face of that object or the arc. The thread start location we given. So we need to choose the thread, the type of threads. So I am selecting the thread. This is inches thread. So we need to choose the end of the thread or the thread guide. So choose the extruded thread, click on OK, which completes our threading and also completes our object. This is the threading. Now our full object is completed. If you like this type of videos, then firstly subscribe my channel, then hit the bell icon and click on to all. Hope you guys enjoy the video, so like the video.